Pro again here at one of our biannual gutter cleanings with the guards on it. If you probably remember this house, we washed it and all that. But I did get wind that the customer is going to be selling. He's a doctor, so he's getting. He said he's moving to Orlando. So anyway, I was supposed to come back and fix this clay staining for him, and we've been so busy we can't even breathe. But you know, it is what it is. In fact, Tony's gonna be up there spraying these gutters. So I did get some spray bottles, folks. I ordered 3 of those 1 gallon jugs just to put stuff in them, because you got to rinse them out. If you don't, they just go to trash. So I got one for maybe like degreaser, one for rust remover, one for bleach. I don't know, it's cheap, like $15 a piece or something. I'll show you what I got. I had them in my trunk for a little bit of a minute. Just got time to mess with it. So I may try to do some of that. All right, catch up. Tony's gonna get on the gutter job. Blow it out in about 12 seconds. All right, peace. Got it all nice and clean, ready for sale. Just did the gutters and some roof debris. See, it might be 30-40 minutes. Got me unpacking everything and blow everything into the woods, and yeah, came out nice. Trailer did well. Didn't do much. I did try in this little bucket here, this sprayer. I put half of that aluminum brightener with half water. Tried on that clay stain. It did not budge it. I even put some straight one restore. Did not budge it. That's crazy. Of course, I didn't use no pressure. I just used a regular hose. But that's okay. He's selling the property, so it's all good. All right, guys, we're gonna catch up. Keep rolling. All right, catch up. Peace. Everyone, All Pro Exterior Services here. Pulled up at another property. Here's the property here. This is we'll call this the hidden gem. That's gonna be the title of the thumbnail, the hidden gem. And what I mean is, this property is actually not too far from my house, and you know, acreage out here is like, you know, trying to buy an acre in Chicago or something where you can't. There's no land, and this guy's been there 40 years. He bought this before any of this was developed and kept it. And got a beautiful spread he built. Beautiful garage. Oh my gosh, this is what I need. I'm gonna try to buy this from this guy. Anyway, Tony's on property protection. Water's hooked up. Of course, that's what we always do. We're gonna be pumping through this AR today. Let's see where we at on the strength. I'm gonna go about 4 on my strength, 5 on my soap. Got a full soap tank. We're ready to roll. So he's on. Got a few little cameras. Now those little cheap cameras. They like the you know, Arlo or Wink or whatever they call them, Google cameras. That the little thing. We kind of cover those up. But those higher end security cameras, I got them on my house. I sprayed them all quite a few times already. The dome style, and I have not had a problem with them. I rinse them, then I spray around it. Try not to spray directly on it, and then I rinse it right away as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull AR. He's finishing this up. And again, the way strategically, we're gonna start over here, work that area, come back over here, work our way all the way to that side. And when we end up on that side, we can roll the hose right up. Again, it's about being efficient. All right, guys and girls, we'll catch up with you in a minute. We're gonna get rolling. All right, peace. Everybody, getting set up here. We're gonna go ahead and crank the Briggs up. I had a lot of people ask questions about the 6.5 Vanguard. It's been doing great. The only thing I don't like about it is in here there's a filter. There's no inline filter, so filling it up is a pain in the neck. So I got the things that go direct. I just haven't done it yet. Other than that, nothing really. Let's see what happens here. Let's go crank it up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead, and after I crank this, I'm just gonna hit the bleach prime again. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. A lot of people ask me that, so there we go. Crank it up a little bit. Gotta warm up. It's already warm from the last job, but we'll do that. Then I can hold the gun open, switch it out of bypass, crank it up. About right there on the gun, in between the yellow and the green, on the gun. If you need a higher reach, you can go up a little more. So, let me show you guys some with the bleach. I'm gonna wet this down because we're gonna throw some bleach on it real quick. Let me show you. So now is what we do. Open this up. So the bleach valve's open. Set up your soap. Open this all the way. You see the bleach line here. Turn that off. And sometimes I go in the bypass. We'll get bleach in a minute. We got bleach in the line. You see our line's full right here. So open this back up. Put our soap where we want it. Put this where we want it. The 4 mark. 3.5 really. Right. So now we got a full line of bleach. That's how, you know, every now and then we got to do that, but not often. Because we use it so much. I don't know how many hours. I don't have an hour meter, but so we run this soap through here. Yep, good soap, good bleach. Then we turn it off, shut it down. That's how you prime it. Very simple. And again, it takes a little bit for your line to come out, for all the soap to come out the line. He's getting a nice free little something here, little treating. But yeah, it's gonna come out nice. In fact, you can do the whole concrete with this and just don't worry about it. Soak it up, get it soaked up. Smell of chlorine. That's how we prime it, folks. That's how we prime it. On the front of the property, I already did the side real quick. I'm just gonna water this down a little bit. I already put a little water on it when I was rinsing the bricks a little bit, just wet them down a little bit. No problem hitting the peaks. A little hot side right here, so. Hit the trees down a little bit. Again, we're pumping a lot of volume here, so we don't have to sit here all day with a 12 volt and get 3 minutes a gallon on water in this stuff. And we're using a house wash mix, so. All right, let's work our way. Work our way back here, hit our soap on. Soap should be coming out in a minute. We're gonna hit that hot side last. In fact, we'll probably hit the shady side first. Going smooth today, going smooth today. I like that. All right, guys, we got soap. So, hit this wall. I don't know if they paint the brick. I'm gonna squeeze up in here. All right, no problem. Gonna have to get bleach on you guys, but it's inevitable. Let me hit this side real quick. Okay. Ah. Okay. The window's good in the garage. Nice leaf guard gutters. Okay, set this side here. Getting them little cracks too. Hit that eave real quick. I can hit the other side from the other side. The volume, look at the volume. I can even hit that other side from here. Do a little bit. Some intricate parts of the house, no doubt, but. Alright guys, on the back side of the property, we got all the other stuff done. So we're just gonna shoot a little bit of water here. Already sprayed a little bit down, so we're just gonna spray it down a little bit with some H2O. Get all our electronic devices. Some water on these bricks, a little hot side. Cool it down a little bit. And I do this section up until here, and then we hit that back and then roll up. Roll up. Mix is working out pretty good. Some heavy growth right here. So make sure you get behind them gutters. And again, this dude's getting his house painted, so the window's gonna be hot, so you gotta be cognizant of that. Just try to hit your shady sides first. So you let it dwell. Already hit half this, so sorry for the bleach, guys. So all getting bleached up, everybody. Yeah. All of my eyes. Picked up a little wind today, so. I'm gonna wipe the guys off. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and turn my bleach off. Try to be cognizant of that, so when you're done, you just roll on to the rinse mode, baby. Look at the water hose for. Come back here. Get this stuff. Look at that, come right off. Oh, pro gotcha. You know, I'm thinking, dude may not want a paint job after we're done. Keep them windows wet. Well, you know what? We had a double feed too because we were running out of water. How's it looking, Tony? Yeah, come right off. Need to give me a blue moon tonight. Well, I ain't got no blue moon. Oh well. Looking good. Go ahead and hit this side. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and rinse this off. Catch up with you. Alright, peace. Everybody back at the house. Drain a little bit of water. Everything went well. On our last job, big project, nice ticket. Actually, we ended up getting a tour of the shop. It was 100 foot by 60 foot, beautiful property. And he actually got a pressure washing trailer in there. Little single axle with a 7-8 gallon a minute. Let's see if I can buy it from him. It's older, but you know, he got a bunch of toys in there. Anyway, it was a good day. Again, priming your bleach. I showed you guys what I do. Every now and then we got to do that. You know, if it sits for, we take off a Saturday or Sunday, and it sits there, sometimes you got to prime that bleach, just let it run for a bit and be all right. And just remember where you're spraying, because it's going to be straight bleach or stronger bleach. So, all right, guys, please like, sub, call, comment. Peace.